Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product category in cart and checkout page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and then you see product. So we are going to display product category. Now go to cart page. Also you see product. So we are going to display product category in cart page also. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see text category. So you can add category text according to requirement. And then scroll down you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. So we are in checkout page and then you see category ceramic. So you can add text according to requirement in custom code. Now you see category. So you can add product category. So it's up to you. Now go to cart page again and then you see category ceramic. So this is our product category. Show in checkout and cart page both. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.